Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this digital toaster with LED display to show time remaining from Silvercrest. With reheat function without additional browning, 1 meter cable, 870 watts power consumption, defrost function, reheat function, auto lift function, stainless steel with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. On the black color, silicone pads 4. You can storage here the cable, very convenient. If you want less length, and the output, or here. We have the toasting slots here, the fold-out lever, another lever here to insert the bread, the decrease and increase brewing level, the defrost button with LED light, the stop button and the reheat button. And here we have the display. Let me turn it on. Press the lever to start. At the same time you can adjust the time, the working time. Seven. The maximum it is 3 minutes and 40 seconds. And stop. You can use the heating function, start, auto, we can see in the LED light. You can adjust the time at the heating function. Or the defrost. At the defrost you can adjust. Say maximum 3 minutes and 40 seconds. And stop. Now I have this bread for defrost. Press the lever. And I will press the defrost. Increasing. And if you want, you can use this lever, warming up. Or not. And there it is, ready. Very crispy. Toasted bread tastes great and the toaster browns the bread evenly to your liking, enhancing the flavor and texture. Or you can use other type of bread, white, and adjust again the time. Digital display ensures consistent results, handles different types of bread, and it will stop automatically. I like it. With butter it will be perfect. It's a modern appliance designed to make toasting convenient and precise. Its digital display and customizable settings provide an enhanced breakfast making experience, allowing you to achieve the perfect level of toast every time. Maybe less time next time, but I like it. And at the back we have this tray. Remove and clean it. Or if you want, you can use again the heat up function. And that's the Silvercrest digital toaster. With its sleek design, precise digital controls and multiple toasting functions, it's the perfect addition to any modern kitchen. Whether you are making crispy toast, warming up bagels, or defrosting bread, this toaster has got you covered. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more kitchen gadgets, home essentials and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay golden, stay crispy, and I'll see you in the next video.